Good morning. It's 7:24, 21st of March. Airbags came early, which is awesome. I was not expecting these for another couple months. So there they are. I already took them out earlier and lined everything up to make sure those were them, but they are definitely what I need. Comparison. A little bit taller, but that's also fresh rubber. This stuff's obviously all old and warped. Firestone, fresh off the factory. I could smell it from here. It reeks like rubber. Oh yeah, it smells like a Schwab. But anyway, brand new airbags. I'll even keep one of the good one of these as a spare, just like a spare tire. So that's kind of nice. Just to have a spare airbag. I don't know why I would ever have to worry. If these can last 30 years, then I think I'm going to be good for quite some time. All the bolts match, everything matches. Barred fitting, put that on there. Oh, it's such a relief to have these finally. So I already got the spring out that didn't fit and got the old one put back in. Got it all bolted back up. The U-bolts are back in. Tightened up. Good to go. Got the pressure washer out. Was doing that earlier this morning. Cleaning up the controller that inflates and deflates the airbags and levels it. So I gave that a good cleaning, sprayed it down with some degreaser. So I'm going to let everything dry out. I'll paint it, let it dry. Tomorrow I'll put the bags in. Then I'm going to take a week or two to finish the conduit upstairs. We're still working on that. I'm still working on that. And I'm going to add one more pipe and run it through the floor and up into that room up there that doesn't have any power. So still got some work around here to do. Going to hang out a week, maybe two. Pay down my debt a little bit before I take off. We'll get back to boondocking. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Bye.